Hello everyone, welcome back to the Print Haven. It's Dr. Femi here, and it's the Christmas season. It's a season of gifting, it's a season of parties, it's a season of showing love to your loved ones, to your family members, to your work colleagues, to your team members, and to your clients that have been so good to you this year. At the end of this video, you're going to know how to curate the best hampers for the year. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Print Haven. It's Dr. Femi here, and today we're going to be talking about our Christmas hamper gift ideas. Make sure you're following us, make sure you like our video, please leave a comment down below, and make sure you turn on your notification bells so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload our videos. At the end of this video, you're going to understand better the factors that you need to curate the best gift boxes for Christmas. So let's get right to it. The first thing you should think about is why. Your why. What is the purpose behind these gift boxes that I want to give out? Do you want to say a huge thank you to the people you're gifting? Do you want to say well done, for example, to your team members? Or do you just want to build a better relationship with your corporate clients, for example? Because it's important that you build relationships with your corporate clients, and one of the best ways to do that is through gifting. Number two, budget. So important. We cannot overemphasize the reasons why you need to have a budget. You don't want to go above your budget, you don't want to go below your budget, because that also matters. So you need to set a price for every gift box you want to give. Number three, who am I gifting? I gave that example already in our first factor, but number three, who am I gifting? And what are the different categories of people I want to gift? And also, because this matters, because the gift options that you would have different gift options for different categories. For example, team members in the office, I would love to give them, for example, a personalized note, a personalized gift. For other clients, maybe my corporate clients, I just want to put my brand logo on it because I want to encourage brand recall. Gifting is one of the avenues through which you can build a strong relationship with your clients. There's nobody that does not like to be gifted, right? Number four factor to consider is, am I going to customize these gifts? Am I going to put my logo on these gifts? Or am I going to personalize these gifts? Do I put the person's name on the items? Or do I just put my brand logo? Now, if you want to put your brand logo, there's a reason behind it. If you want to personalize the items as well, there's also a reason behind. So you have to sit down and put this, like literally think about it and take a decision. Guess what? At the Print Haven, we do both. You can either put your logo and the person's name on one item, or put a logo on some of the items and put names on the other items. So for personalized gifts, you must know the person a little bit, right? You want to know what the person's habits are, what the person's interests are, so that when you put their name on that particular item, you're sure that they're going to use this. And guess what? Brand recall, whenever they use these items, for example, if the logo is on the bottle, for example, on a bottle, and their name is also on the bottle, there's no how your brand will not be remembered. So you're being very strategic about the choices you make when you put your logo on the item, or when you also put the person's name on the item. It's very important. Number five, consideration. What is the nature of the gifts? For example, do I want a hamper that just has all edibles, biscuits, cookies, wine, tea, chocolate, sweets, popcorn, for example, and all of that? Or do I want to have a mixture? When you talk to us at the Print Haven, we're able to guide you on the best options based on the category, the factors that I mentioned, the type of people that you're giving, the industry you're in as well. Are you like in the FMCGs, Or are you in the tech space? That also matters. That also informs the nature of gifts that you put in your gift hampers. Very, very, very important. Another factor to consider is the quality of your product. You don't want a product that they will receive today and within a month the product has gone bust or the product is ruined. No, you want to purchase high quality items that your clients can use for a long time. Imagine if their name was on it. It just generates a good feel about your business and who you are and your person. The other factor you must put into consideration is one of the most important factors is your packaging. You can't go wrong when you have absolutely beautiful packaging. And because we're talking Christmas, it has to look festive, right? You have to put some oomph to what you're doing. So you can either, there's so many different options. You can use the boxes, you can use the wicker basket, you can use, branded ribbons, different decorative items to just make your presentation top-notch. At the Print Haven, we'll help you, we'll take you through the process of picking the best gifts, staying within your budget, ensuring that the right people receive the right gifts. This is what we do over here. We're also experts at personalization. We're also experts at putting your logo, the branding of your logo on any gift item. Trust me when I say any gift item, that is our area of expertise. So if you're interested in placing an order, or if you just want advice, counsel on how to go about curating your gifts, we're here to assist you, we're here to serve you. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you need any form of assistance in curating the best boxes, gift boxes for Christmas, please reach out to us at the Print Haven. Make sure you like our video, leave a comment. Have you enjoyed the video? Make sure you turn on your notification bell and make sure you're following us. Our contact details are on the screen below. Bye.